Okay, so good morning, welcome to SouthernCrossGO. Now, it's our 10th anniversary and we're going out to lunch today. So Yuli wants Indonesian food.
Yep.
And I want a big fat steak, so there'll be two videos. So anyway, let's go and check out this warung. So we're here at a place called NEXX Showroom Cafe. It's in Denpasar, just past Century 21. I'll leave a Google Maps link to it. And this is it. It's got an absolutely massive car park in here. So I'll go in and check it out. Apparently there's all like a big car showroom or something like that in here as well. So I'll go in and check it out, see what's going on. I don't know. I'd never even heard of it before. But Yuli said we're just riding around looking for somewhere. She said, oh, we'll just go in here and check it out. It's got cars or something in there. All right. Okay, so it's got a bit of a stage, so it looks like it's got live music and stuff. Outside chairs. It's a bit hot to sit out here. All right, so this is the kitchen, I suppose. All right, so we're going to sit down, order something, and then, yeah, we'll go in and have a look at the showroom. Okay, so this is the menu. I'm not sure what it is. Indonesian food, or what is it?
Local.
Because if there's a steak, I'm going to get a steak. Smoothies, snacks, salads, soups. What else is in here? Pasta, pizzas, bread and buns, Western food. Chicken Parmigiano, very cheap too, 48,000. Chicken cordon bleu, Swedish meatballs, chicken steak. Oh, what's this? Or Australian beef steak. Ribeye 115, which is pretty cheap really. Tenderloin 120 or sirloin 105. That's what I'm going to have. Sirloin steak or something. It's also got local food, duck, nasi goreng, things like that. Ayam betutu. And then drinks, traditional drinks.
You already tried the betutu.
So you might have seen my video on the Krishna. It's got the big resort style swimming pool and restaurant on top of the Krishna shopping centre. I did a video on that. I'll leave it in the end screen. Now this is owned by the owner of that, and apparently behind us it's his car collection, so we'll go in after we order and check out the cars. Definitely I'm going to get a steak. Just give me a tenderloin steak please.
Australian.
Medium to well done. Alright, so Yuli's going to get a matcha tea. I'm going to get an iced tea. Aussie steak. And what did you order?
Grilled chicken steak.
Grilled chicken steak. Alright, that's it. Alright, so we're going to go in and suss out the cars here. So they've also got like a buffet thing. If you order a package and you've got a heap of people, like a party, you can have like a buffet style. So we'll go in and check out the cars, see what's going on in here. Okay, so apparently the owner of Krishna, this is his car collection. So you go there, it's a nice little blue Porsche. Very nice. It's this BMW convertible. Wow, looks good, doesn't it? All in black. And I suppose this is a Lambo. God, he's got millions of dollars worth of cars. Lamborghini. Well, that Krishna is a pretty successful business by the look of it. There's a Ferrari. What's he doing? Is this electric, this thing? What's he doing? It's plugged into electric. Don't tell me this is an electric Ferrari. It must be. This is electric. It's electric Ferrari, or what? Huh? I've never even knew they made electric Ferraris. Oh, what? Does it just charge something up? Well, it looks just like a normal Ferrari, but there's the plug into the wall. So, yeah, not like the Lambo. They've just got a good shape, haven't they? Eh? Check that out. Amazing cars. I don't know anything about the specifications of them or the motors in them. Actually, you see the motor in there. It's a massive thing, look at it. It's more or less 1.5 meters, the whole back's just motor. Then 2 seats in the front. Wow. What else has he got? Whoa, what's this, an old MG or something? Is it an MG? It's a Morgan. It looks like an MG. My brother-in-law used to collect MGs. It looks very much like an MG. How amazing is that? Who makes it? +6. Maybe they're just a new car built in the old style by the look of it. It doesn't really look like an old antique car. Inside's just smick as a... Oh, this is a Rolls, my God. To me, it just looks like a big old SUV or something. But this is a Rolls Royce. It's a Mercedes 4-drive. Wow, he's got one of everything. Lexus. What's this one? NEXX Luxury. I don't even know what that is. Ah, no, this is the go. Look at this. This is a real 4-drive. What's this, an old Willys Jeep or something? Amazing. Now this is more like it. This is my type of car. Look at the tyres on it. It's brand new, like it's never been driven. And check out the clearance underneath it. Wow, seriously. It's got about 600 or 700 mil clearance underneath it. The big winch on it. It's probably never been in the bush ever. But check that out. That's amazing. Shovels on the side, axes. And here's a Jeep, which is, you know, to me, a Jeep's just a Jeep. Toyotas are better. But check out this Jeep. Now, this thing is amazing. Look at this. Wow, look at the tyres on it. Definitely not legal for Australia. Look how far they stick out. But it's got some hell suspension on it. Wow, yeah, this would probably go anywhere, I'd say. And he's got that texture coat on all of them, yeah. Another Jeep. God, he likes Jeeps. They're everywhere. Just putting all the extras and the suspension and stuff. Even these wheels just cost a fortune. So these cars are, I'd say in here, it'd have to be more than a couple of millions of dollars worth of cars in here for sure. I suppose in any collection you've got to throw a Harley in. Only looks like a little Sportster or something, is it? Or is it an Indian? Might be an Indian. No, it's a Harley. And this little thing's unreal. Look at it, it's a 3-wheeler. It's got the big fat wheel on the back. I suppose these are like kit cars. They're made, specially made by like exclusive companies make them, because you don't see them on the road anywhere. How good's that? Actually, I think 3-wheel things are banned in Bali. There's no brand on it. So I don't know what it is. But it's pretty cool. I could see myself rocking and down the bypass on this. What do you reckon, eh? All right. So if I had a pick of all these, which one would I pick? I don't know. It'd probably be this thing. The, what is it? The Morgan, which looks like a MG. I'd probably pick that. Or maybe that big old red Jeep. That'd be my selection out of all these cars. I'd say they'd have to be the best thing in here. But I don't really like Jeeps. No, I love the old Willys. I'd probably take the Willys, but this thing would definitely go places. It'd be pretty good in Australia, I reckon. Got some hell tracks in Australia, but if you could get it street legal for Australia, it'd be the go. All right, anyway, well, that was interesting. Something different. Just coming in and check out the cars while we're having lunch. I didn't even know this place existed. So the owner's sitting over here with his mates, and he's obviously a multi-millionaire. Check out this joint. I don't know whether it's his place or they've got functions or something upstairs as well. Got a big upstairs section. But yes, very nice. Very nice indeed. I suppose no car collection's complete without a V-dub bug in it, eh? All right. Looks all right, little bug. Well, I did my car licence in a V-dub Beetle just like this. I borrowed it off my sister. Took it into the registry office. And for my driving test, the guy stood on the corner on the footpath, and he told me in the VW bug, drive up there through the traffic lights, do a U-turn, come back and park. I did that, and he said, right, you got your licence. That's how easy it was. But yeah, something different, something nice, and very good collection. Jeez. So I don't know whether I got a film with him, but the owner's sitting in there, and he's not that old, is he? So I'd say I'd have probably close to a $3 million car collection and your own little private restaurant and numerous Krishna Ollie shops around. Yeah, you're going to be quite wealthy. I wonder how many houses he owns. I wonder what his house looks like. Must be something smick, that's for sure. But anyway, we'll see what the food's like, because the food at the Krishna that we had in that other video was pretty good. I had the AM Vatutu there. So this time, craving for the old Aussie steak. Alright, so that's my steak. Thank you. It's already chopped up. They've chopped it up. And it's sitting on a bed of mashed potato. Got some mushroom gravy there with it. Alright, bit of parsley in that. It's not real big. It'll be pushing 200 gram steak, but it's cheap, so we'll see what it's like. I'll tell you whether it's really Aussie steak. So I'll just dip it in a bit of gravy. Not too bad. It's been a long time since I've had a steak, because I mainly eat chicken all the time. Over $1,000, $10 steak. Cheap for Bali these days. Yeah, good. Wow, that looks good.
Yeah, man.
Let me sneak over here and film. I might have to swap with Yuli. I might have to order one of these too. So she got chips, mushroom gravy, and the chicken steak, and that's a big fillet of chicken, a lot bigger than my steak. Do you want to swap, darling?
No, thank you. You can order another one.
So I might have to order one of these too, being a piggy that I am. Anyway. No, she's just rubbing it in, because I said I want the chicken steak.
All right, I'll give you this.
Oh, look out. She's lashing out. Give me a bit of chicken steak to try. Right, we'll chop that up. Oh, it's nice and tender. Bit of the mushroom gravy on it. Oh, tastes like chicken, which I eat every day, so I'll stick with the tenderloin. So anyway, happy anniversary, darling. 10 years. Yeah?
Feel like
10 long years. What's it like living with me for 10 years? Seem like 20 years? Seem like 50 years. Yeah, you definitely aged, that's for sure. Anyway, been together about 15 years and married for 10. So, and I looked it up last night. The wedding present for a 10th anniversary is, guess what it is, darling? It's not diamond. It's actually tin and aluminium. And so, yeah, I've got a tin of baked beans at home for you and an aluminium can of Coke for you.
Yeah, make sure you put the diamond ring inside.
That's the traditional, is tin and aluminium. But the new modern day present is diamond. So we don't want to go with a modern. We're a traditional couple, aren't we, darling?
You are tradition. I'm modern.
No. Yeah.
You are old school.
So if you're modern, you've got to buy me diamond. And if I'm traditional, I've got to buy you a can of baked beans and a can of Coke.
No, I give you 10, you buy me diamond.
Well, that's not the way it works. All right. Anyway, so we clear that up. Presents at home, mate. Waiting for you in the cupboard. I bought it two weeks ago.
Wow.
Yeah.
That?
Yeah. Can of baked beans, like I said. Can of Cokes in the fridge. That's the aluminium and the tin. See how happy she is. So happy, aren't you, darling? So lucky to be married to me.
No, what you should say to yourself.
Okay, so that was pretty good, really. It was 229,000, about $22 or something. So it was well worth it. And yeah, look at these car parks, massive car parks. There's no room about coming here, getting a space to park, that's for sure. And this is it. NEXX Next Showroom Cafe.